Hello everyone, this is Rick and thanks for joining. This is the third PowerPoint 2007 tutorial. And in the second tutorial I showed you how to make a real basic PowerPoint presentation using a template. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation from scratch. So what you do is go File, New, and you just use the blank presentation, and you can see here's a little outline here. And so I'm going to go ahead and just type in 10-minute train, and then subtitle I'm going to just label it computer-based video training. Computer-based video training. Okay. Then to add a new slide, you can there's several ways to do it, right? You can click right here, you can right click here and say new slide, or you could do Control M as in Mary and it'll add a new slide, and you can see it laid out a format for you for a title, and then options to add text or insert, tables, charts, pictures, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and just label this one Excel 2007 training, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in here and I'll just do Intro to Excel, Excel Basic Spreadsheets, and I'm going to say Excel Advanced Features. Alright, and now if I go up here and I hit the increase list level over here, you'll notice it changes to a hyphen there, and I will do pivot tables, let's see, financial, formulas, macros, and we'll say VLOOKUPs. And then we want to add another slide, and we're going to go ahead and do Control M, and we're going to go over here and we're going to say I don't know, PowerPoint (2007) training. I'll just say okay, and we'll just say Intro to PowerPoint, and we're going to go ahead and leave everything off. We'll just make it keep it short. I'm not going to keep expanding on this. So now this is a really basic, you probably wouldn't really be showing this to too many people. White background, black font, doesn't really look very impressive. Of course, we haven't done anything to it yet. So what you could do is go into View, Option, under the ribbon here, go to Slide Master, and you'll see there's lots of different ways you can edit this. So we could go over here and we could say rather than the black font, we could click it and do, let's make it red font. Okay, and then we could go over here under the main text, under the first bullet here, and we could make this, we could make it, I didn't mean to do that, let me hit undo. We could make it green font, so let's do that. Now let's make it blue font. We got blue font. Okay, and we'll leave these other ones off for right now. You can go down here and put in a footer and make it 10-minute train. Right, insert a corporate logo or whatever. Now, you're looking at this and you say, geez, this really still doesn't look very impressive. Let's go ahead and close out of here. View, normal mode. And now, you've added a little something to it, so it's getting a little bit better. But let's say you want to go ahead and let's go to Slide Master again, and we want let's go ahead and click here, and we're gonna just right click on the corner of the slide here, anywhere in this open area here, and say Format Background. Right click and go down and choose Format Background with your left mouse button. And let's just do the fill for right now, solid fill, and let's make it, let's go ahead and make it green. Then we can say apply to all, close, let's go back to view and say normal. And now you notice would have to change this font, right, to be a different color so you could see it better, right? So let's assume that this were fixed up a lot more than it is. We would go over here, and one thing we could do if we wanted to make this our template now, we can make our own template and we'd say File, Save As, and we'll go over here, and instead of a PowerPoint presentation, we'd go over here and we would say PowerPoint template, save it in there, and now if I exit out of here, let me close it, and now if I were coming in from scratch and I wanted to create a new presentation from that template, I could go down to under templates, go to my templates, and there it is, 10-minute train. Okay, and so now you see that I have my template all set up, it's saved, and we can edit it and save the template. Keep in mind, you save a presentation, you're saving the presentation. If you save a template, you're saving that template as a format that you can reuse. So thanks for joining. Please subscribe if you hopefully you're getting some good use out of these, and let me know what you want to see, and we're going to come back with lots more get more advanced here, right? Animation, inserting objects, things of that nature. So thanks for joining.